Hey everybody, how you guys doing? So I had some people asking me if this dash cam is really that clear, because the price is, I think I spent 40 bucks for it, and they were asking, can it really be that clear compared to, the $300-$400 ones? So I just wanted to share that with you guys, to show you how clear it really is. I mean, you can see license plates clear, you can see road signs, the street names, all that kind of stuff. So it is definitely, in my opinion, worth it. I've had no issues with it. I download all the media I want, all the footage I want, delete it. I can store it, whatever I need to do with it. So take a look at some of these clips I have here and just see how clear it is. And like I said, I haven't even washed my windows or nothing, so this is just unedited, just straight from the dash cam. You can't really beat it. I've seen the real expensive ones, and I'm sure the longevity will be better with those. But again, for 300 bucks compared to 40, I mean, I'll definitely let you know if this thing breaks, but so far so good, and the footage is like great. So take a look at this, guys. Okay guys, so this is a clip I had done the other day about that spy car, but as you can see, look how clear it is. I can even make out the street sign up there in the green rectangle box. And you can also zoom it in. So you can take this video and you can pinch and zoom it in so you get even a clear up close picture of what you're trying to see. But this is going right into the sun too. Show you guys how it looks. So that right there, I can see the letters. Like I said, you could zoom in and see them, and that's facing the sun. So you are going to get glare on it. But I'm really blown away with it. And this is, like I said, I've had it, I think 6 months now. No problems whatsoever. I would definitely recommend anybody buying it. Doesn't break the bank. And these all sit right in the sun. So they're going to get glitchy from time to time when they do that. Okay, so look at this other clip too. Okay, this is up close parked. Look how clear that is. And like I said, I didn't even clean the window, so it could be even clearer, I'm sure. But it's really clear. I mean, look at it. It's a clear day here, so that helps, of course, but super clear. Can't say enough good things about it. And like I said, it's a $40 thing to buy, and it could really help you guys out if you're in an accident. So I just want to share that with you guys. Hope that answers anyone's questions of if this is worth it. Definitely, I would not even hesitate for $40 to buy it. Like I said, it'll come in handy one day, believe it or not. So hope everyone's doing good out there. Again, thanks for supporting my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I hope everyone has a great day. And if you don't know where this is, I have a video of it to get the link to buy it, but it's a DD Pi Mini. And like I said, you should be able to get it for about $40, give or take. So hope everyone's doing great, and I will talk to you guys later.